Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to budget with Quicken Simplifi. So we are going to head over Quicken. Then we are going to know that it is going to be crucial to have an account within Quicken, and also we are going to need the premium access to it. That means that you're going to subscribe to one of their pricing plans. So if you're going to be only interested into the budgeting, you're going to head over and click on I want to. Then we are going to head over the personal, as you can see, goals, and from here we're going to have stay on track with my budget. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, it is going to be a price of $3.99 per month if you're going to have only the annual subscription. If you're going to have the monthly subscription, it is going to increase a little bit. So I'm going to let you see here how things are going to be. So we're going to have it right there. I'm going to compare the pricing. So we are going to compare the plans. So here we have the personal. As you can see, it is going to be the $3.99 billed annually. If you're going to have a monthly, it is going to change. And of course, it is going to be something else. Now, aside from the plan, we're going to head over directly to the subject. How to budget with it. Basically, it is going to be a very simple step. We're going to have the platform or the Quicken Simplifi platform based on finances, and budgeting is going to be a feature from or a category from the financing. It is going to give you here the monitoring of the spending, expenses, also for the income. Basically, it is going to regulate your spendings on different expenses like the life expenses, the bills, and etc. So some of the features that we are going to get from Quicken Simplifi budgeting is going to be having an automatic spending plan. As you can see, this is the first feature. So you are going to get an automatic budget based on your income, bills, and expenses. So you're going to be able to make some adjustments and also set up some custom categories, budget targets, and saving goals. So this is, as you can see, a screenshot from an account on the Quicken Simplifi. You can have here the total sum of the income after bills and savings. You can have here the planned spending and also the other spendings. So we are going to have the available budget for the month and the spending for the day. You are going to have a chart. Also, it is going to be a calendar that is going to set up some payrolls. Let's say here, some expenses that you're going to pay and etc. So as you can see, we have the different categories for the money, which is going to be, or the finances like the income, the bills, subscriptions, transfer and credit card payments, saving goals, and etc. Now, the second feature is going to be the review of the expenses into a chart, and also some of the sums are going to be created. You can add here your subscriptions, and it is going to be automatically deducting this amount from the total amount of your wallet if you're going to activate it. As you can see, for the subscriptions, like we have a Grubhub, Netflix, AT&T, like a provider, or let's say internet provider, etc. You can get some alerts about large purchases that you're going to make, or low budget is going to be detected, and etc. And this is going to be a very good reminder. And from here, you're going to have everything in order. You can also adjust the spendings and all of the different, as you can see here, incomes and etc. So you're going to have everything in control. You need only to set up the categories and customize them for the chart to be recognized by you. As you can see on the screenshot, we have the rent, eating, groceries, fitness, utilities. All these are going to be spendings, and you're going to get the total in here. Now, we have also, or the final one is going to be the onward or upward, which means that you're going to have here the planned spending, the saving goals. If you're going to have, for example, a budget or some savings to a summer vacancy, or you're going to have something that you're going to plan to own buying or having something like that. And it is going to have progress bars into these specific savings and etc. So that was pretty much it for today's video. You can go ahead and download the Quicken Simplifi for your computer or web browser. You can have it also into your mobile phone, Android, iOS or as you can see, the Chromebook on Google and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.